I got this little Cybertruck here, 4-wheel drive, Amphibious. This thing, we've been having a lot of fun with it. It literally goes anywhere. It floats in water. It actually powers right through water really nicely. Mud, grass, it doesn't really make a difference where you put it. It literally just goes right through anything. This wheelie bar right here, you need to install yourself. It comes in the box. It's just 2 screws, very simple. Comes with 2 batteries, charger, and a screwdriver. It has 2 speeds. When you turn it on, it starts off in slow speed. Press that button, goes high speed. And has this cool little stand-up button. You press that right here. Oh. Flips on its back, and then you can do little spins. You can drive like that. It's pretty cool. And it literally goes anywhere. It's like, just powers right through anything you give it. And we also use it inside, on the wood floor. It's fun. On the carpet, it's fun. I mean, it's just anywhere you want to put it, it goes. You can bring it to the lake, put it in the water, sand. I mean, it's just a cool little truck.
This is a pretty cool little RC car. It looks kind of like a Tesla, I guess, truck. I want to show you real quick. When you turn it on, you push this button right here. Hold it, and the lights will start blinking. The LED lights in the front and in the back will start blinking until you turn this remote switch on. Then it goes solid. Now, just to give you a quick little demo here. It's got different speeds. You can push that and it goes faster. Just push it again, it slows it down. You push stand up, it automatically stands up. It's pretty cool. You can make it spin around by turning it sideways. Anyway, worth the money.
Yeah, but it is moving. Is it actually turning too? Yeah?
Get it done, buddy. One up, one down. No, push one stick up, one stick down.
Well, it is doing it.